Traptex plumbing protection system has been created to alleviate this problem by changing flushing behavior. Traptex catches wipes, cloths, and other non-flushable items before they enter the pipes. It will not catch toilet paper or other solid waste. If cloths or wipes are caught by Traptex, use the Traptex wipe retriever according to your protocol to dispose of them properly. Never put your hands into the toilet once Traptex is installed. Traptex has sharp edges, which may cause injury. Traptex stays in the toilet bowl at all times and can be cleaned as usual with a bristle brush. You do not need to remove Traptex to clean the toilet. You can prevent wipes in the pipes. Changing flushing behavior means fewer maintenance calls for clogged pipes and plumbing disasters.